I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take
Xiaomi
shit.
13 Lite will launch globally on 26th of February. Fast refresh rate, curved AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7th generation processor, 32 megapixel dual selfie camera, super slim in design, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of the Xiaomi 13 Lite. Xiaomi 13 Lite is a rebranded version of the Xiaomi civi launched in China. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. Let's open the box of the Xiaomi civi which will be globally sold as a Xiaomi 13 Lite. Inside the box we found 67-watt power adapter with Type A output, a Type C to A cable, a user manual and a transparent case. Now removing the plastic from the phone and we'll talk about the design and build quality. The Xiaomi 13 Lite mobile phone has a 6.55-inch curved screen on the front that matches the small size body design, make it easier to hold. The phone is also lightweight. Weight is only around 171 grams, which is better than other phones that weighs more than 200 grams. The back panel of the Xiaomi 13 Lite has a unique appearance and texture. It has two colors, purple on top, pink at the bottom, which blend together smoothly. When exposed to the light, the back panel appears mostly pink, while the backlit environment, the purple colors stand out more. If you look closely at the Xiaomi 13 Lite, you will notice a soft and flowly texture on the back panel. The texture is created through the nanoscale engraving and flashing sand glass, which adds three-dimensional effect of the back. The touch of the back panel is smooth and silky. The camera design of the Xiaomi 13 uses the deco line and angle ring design from the Xiaomi flagship series, but with two lenses instead of one. The camera module is light and purple in color, which blends well with the overall design of the back panel without standing out too much. The middle frame of the Xiaomi 13 Lite has a hyperbolite design, which makes the left and right side of the frame very slim, giving the phone a thinner and lighter appearance. The interfaces and the sensor arrangements including the volume and power button on the right side, a microphone and infrared sensor on the top, and speaker, microphone, Type-C interface, and SIM card slot on the bottom of the phone. The word Dolby Atmos are also printed on the top of the middle frame. Overall, the Xiaomi 13 Lite has a stylish design and easy to hold. It comes in several colors including pink, ice blue, hazy black and a special color called Little White Dress. The Xiaomi 13 Lite has a really good screen. It's a 6.55-inch 3D AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate of 120Hz. The colors looks really nice and it supports P3 color gamut and 10-bit color depth. It also has a 1920Hz high frequency PWM dimming, which means it's easy to see no matter if it's a day or night. Overall, the screen on the Xiaomi 13 Lite is clear and comfortable to look at. The biggest improvement in the Xiaomi 13 Lite is its quad camera function. Both the rear and front camera have been upgraded. The rear camera has three lenses, which the main camera being 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 CMOS sensor, which is popular choice for the many high-end phones due to its great quality. The Xiaomi 13 Lite also has an ultra-wide lens with the 20 megapixel IMX376K sensor and the macro lens of 2 megapixel and 3 to 7 centimeter focus. The front camera on the Xiaomi 13 Lite has been greatly upgraded. It now has a dual camera including 32 megapixel main camera and 32 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with a 100-degree field of view. This makes it one of the best selfie camera in the world. The photos taken with the front camera look amazing. And the Xiaomi 13 Lite also has a multicolor soft light, which has three levels of color temperature 1300K to 5300K that can mimic different ambient light setting. It even the 5 ambient light effects to the choose from, which taking the photo, the soft light will light up to achieve a desired light effects. Overall, the front camera on the Xiaomi 13 Lite is impressive and offer a great option for taking the high quality selfies. Overall, the camera upgrade in the Xiaomi 13 Lite greatly improved the quality of the photos taken.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back.
The Xiaomi 13 Lite uses the Snapdragon 7 mobile platform, which is built using the Samsung's 4nm process. The processor focuses on the upgrading the CPU architecture and including the Super Core A710 with a main frequency of 2.4 GHz. Overall, the performance of the Xiaomi 13 Lite is good. The Xiaomi 13 Lite was tested for the performance and Antutu. It scored close to 550,000 points. In the Geekbench 5, the single core score of 791 and the multi-core score was 2891. These scores are consistent with the Snapdragon 7 processor and the performance of the mainstream thin and light selfie phones. When tested in the PUBG Mobile, the Xiaomi 13 Lite was able to achieve a smooth picture quality with the extreme frame rate screen. The average frame rate during the 30-minute test was 59.44 fps with occasional frame drop during the combat scene. But overall gameplay was smooth. The highest temperature on the front of the phone was 37.3 degree and on the back was 36.2 degree. Overall though, Xiaomi 13 Lite performed well in the gaming test. Xiaomi 13 Lite has a powerful 4500 mAh battery, supports fast charging with 67 watt wired charging. These specifications rank among the top in terms of battery life. In test, the battery charged from 5 to 90% in just 35 minutes with the display turned off. Even charging for the just 10 minutes gave 23% increase in the battery power. Xiaomi 13 Lite is a great phone for focused on selfie and thin and light design. It has a colorful appearance and powerful selfie capabilities with a 120Hz high refresh rate screen and Snapdragon 7 processor. Its rear camera is equipped with the 50 megapixel main camera and it's also other features such as the linear motor, NFC and the infrared sensors. It's a great phone for the selfie enthusiastic and its overall hardware is comparable to other phones in its price range. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling and I will see you in the next one.